I have a ring if I'd like, or a little treat. Ooh, that's good. Fiesta time! Today I will be trying a hell of a lot of candy from one of my favorite parts of the world, Mexico. This bag it has a huge assortment. I actually don't really know what's in here, but it's a lot of different kinds of candies. Basically, all I know is that it's a mixture of some sweet things, some sour things, and some spicy things. I think at the end of this, I'm just gonna... Should we just get right into it? Let's try some Mexican candy. I don't have any like specific plan for this. Let's just open it up and... Oh, okay, there's like a lot of lollipops and hard candies in here too. So I'm obviously not gonna have the whole, you know, lollipop. Okay, what? Okay, we got this. Okay. Cool. You like that, baby? Yay! La 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 la. Let's start with, ooh, let me start with something I might really like. They're kind of fruit. Vero brands. I know this brand too, because they make like some other candy in this mix. I know it. It looks sort of like a hard candy version of a tamarind. I highly recommend trying out tamarind fruit. So good. Tart, spicy, I like that. My mouth is already watering. Like I said, I'm not gonna like eat the whole hard candy, so I really want to though. This is actually really good. I've had a thorough taste. Ooh, yeah, I can taste the tamarind. It's not too spicy at all. It's like very good, very balanced. Not too sour, not too spicy. I love this. 9 out of 10, delicioso. What else do we got? All right, we got this little thing over here. It says, not corny at all. Okay, chili pepper powder, strawberry, which I don't know why corn. Oh, it looks like corn. It looks like a big like hunk of chili powder at the edge of that. Oh, it smells so strong. Okay. So initially, just the chili powder, but it's actually not too spicy. Kind of got to get in there to get the other flavors. It's a lollipop, so you got to work on it. Yeah, which these kind of candies might not be the best for a taste test, but we're gonna work with it. All right, got it. Got a hint of the strawberry. That's okay. I don't like it. It's a lot of chili powder for me, okay? 6 out of 10. Not corny at all though. Let's try this, okay? Something I could chew. Okay, what does this say? You can read it, right? I can't. Pulparindo, watermelon flavor with real fruit, hot and salted tamarind pulp candy. Okay, some more tamarind we have here. Love that. It's made with real fruit apparently. Pulp candy. Oh, okay. The pulp of a tamarind. I'm into it. This is it. That's what that is. Looks like fruit leather. All right, let's do it. Oh, cool. Okay, thank God. I'm just bracing myself. This is layered. Okay, can I just tell you what's going on here for a moment? We have the tamarind, the sweetness of the tamarind. We have a little bit of sour afterwards. Then we end on spice, and it's a real spice. And I much prefer this spice to the stuff on that lollipop. This is actually spicy, but flavorful. I like it. Whoa. I'm a sour candy lover, and this is right up my alley. Like, I want this weird stuff to happen to my face when I eat a sour candy. So this is watermelon flavor. Oh yeah, I got that watermelon flavor. You know, that typical watermelon candy flavor. It's a real treat that it's made with real fruit. 8 out of 10. That was good. What is this? Is this another watermelon thing? I don't want to do that. This is called Bolitochos Sandia. No idea. Uh-oh. There's a thick crust of what appears to be some more chili powder. Okay. Smells just like it. That is a lot of chili powder. Again, I don't know if this is hard candy or not. Yes. Okay, my teeth are still intact. Let's not try that again. Uh-huh. I see. Underneath here, we have some green, we have some red, we have some watermelon colors. As opposed to the tamarind, you know, leather candy kind of deal, you get in the sweet and the sour and the spicy all at once. I like that, but with the hard candies, you work through a whole bunch of spice. The spice probably lingers on your tongue in your mouth for a little bit, but you're then mostly transitioning into sweet. It's a different kind of experience. From what I can taste, it's a very similar watermelon flavor to the other candy I just tried. It's intense to get through the chili powder. It's not overly spicy though. I don't know. Not the biggest fan. 5 out of 10 for this watermelon chili powder candy. This is gum. I want to just do this as a, if they're not that interesting in flavor, I don't know. We'll see, okay. It's mint. This is regular mint gum. This doesn't matter. 7 out of 10, because who cares about gum? Okay, another lollipop. Okay, you see this guy right here? Yeah, that guy right there? He only knows how to party and nothing else. This guy, aviators, cool guy. Let's just see how long it takes us to get to the mango part. Okay, I tell you this, I can taste the mango right away and the spice. I like that. Hey, good looking. This is good. I know my face doesn't say it, but just like a lot of flavors. I think mango with the chili powder they really complement each other nicely compared to like a watermelon and chili powder for me. 7 out of 10. I mean, I don't even know how to like judge these because it's like, okay, is it good for a chili lollipop? Probably, but it's not my favorite. My nose is dripping already. So these are a little bit spicy, but they're good. It's not like unpleasant. Okay, it's better than I thought it would be so far. Okay, this one is a bit terrifying. Limon, a packet of powder sounds like powder. And it says Limon 7, salt and lemon powder. Like that's a candy. Oh my. Okay. That is pretty salty. I don't even know if I really taste the lemon much. I don't understand why this is 1 out of 10 because I don't want salt. Thank you. Ooh, look at this. Chaka chaka. Okay, there's a train. Chaka chaka choo choo. This looks good. This looks like just pure chili. It's just like a brick of chili powder, okay? Let's do it. At least I can chew this one. It's good. I guess, I don't know. Why am I saying it's good? It's just, it tastes like chili powder. And I'm kind of over it. 2 out of 10. Okay. Yep, there's another one of those. Cool. What is this? We've been eyeing this for quite some time, right? Some more tamarind. Okay, let's just open this up because I don't know how this all works. There's no instructions. Oh. Wait. I believe. You gotta take the tip off. Ah, this is reminiscent of some candies I had as a kid. So you just, all right, you got the squeezer at the end and you, oh, I just squeeze a lot. And I don't know if I'm gonna have that all. Yeah, I am. Yeah. Oh, what is this, mango? Oh, tamarind, duh, I just read it. It's really good, actually. I'm just grateful it's not a lollipop or chili powder. It's mostly sweet with a hint of kind of sour. It's not spicy at all. It was exciting. I didn't know what to do. I was like, oh, what is this? I thought it was a lollipop. Okay, so let's just give this fun activity and treat at the same time, multitasking queen, an 8. 8 out of 10, wow. Wow, you know what? I thought I would save this guy for last, but I just made eye contact with him and I thought, I can't wait any longer, okay? Yeah, cue music, okay? Because this guy, like, plays a song in your head and your heart. RICO PEPINO. Well, can we just say that it looks like a pickle on drugs with a sombrero on, and he's holding this lollipop. That was quick. I only have the highest expectations. Okay, it's green and it has like some little chili pepper things. I'll tell you right now, never had any pickle flavored candy, and that I don't know why Americans don't do that. Well, let's find out actually. I take every bit of that tone of doubt that I had about this and I'll just throw it in the trash. I'll throw it away. It's not quite a pickle, more of a cucumber, which I'm surprised, lightly sweet, and I don't taste any of the spice, but maybe the more I have it, the more of the spice I'll find. This is a 9 out of 10. A decent lollipop, but hold on, one more point for this guy. 10 out of 10. RICO PEPINO. This guy. He just made my day. That's it. I can just end right here because there's nothing's gonna get better than this. I don't even see. I should have saved it for last, but it really just gave me the pep I needed. Thanks, RICO. 10 out of 10. Okay, what do we have here? This is the same. We tried this already. Oh, look at this fun thing. Wow. Do we have another little activity ahead of us? Lucas Muecas. I'll tell you something. The mascots of these candies are where it's at. Cherry flavored lollipop with chili powder. Shake and enjoy. I hear that's the chili powder right here in there. And so maybe this is the baby bottle pop situation. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's pretty much a candy that has a lollipop and powder, and you lick the lollipop and you dip it in the powder and you lick the powder off the lollipop, and it's all this crazy fun stuff. Okay, bop. So they've done the work kind of for you. It's already dipped in there. Cool color. I have a ring if I'd like, or a little treat. Oh, that's good. Okay, so besides almost dying from inhaling straight up chili pepper powder, I do like the lollipop actually. Well, I mean, it's not chili powder, so I think that's what it's got going for it. 2 out of 10. But this guy, he gets a 10 out of 10. It's not his fault. What do we have here? Something different? Oh no. I will not be having this. Salt and lemon powder. I already have it. It's spicy. You win some, you lose some. All right, now the last one, because we had some We had some duplicates of stuff, but this is the last one that I haven't tried. And this is a swinkle. Well, they're swinkles salsaghetti. Swinkle salsaghetti. So, and there's a watermelon on it. And I'm gonna guess there's some chili powder too. That's just my guess. And salsaghetti, I would guess it's like part salsa, part spaghetti. And when it comes to swinkles, it's a swanky tinkle. There's a lot of chili powder in the system. I gotta get it. Well, hold on just a tick. Okay, now we have these like little, just add that. I just had a reflex. You have these little like stringy things. Familiar, you know, kind of candy, sour straw type thing. Then what we have here is a packet, a condiment looking packet. I don't even know. Let me try this by itself. It tastes like a watermelon sour straw with some chili pepper in it. Squeeze a little bit of this. Okay, over there. And let's do that. Tastes like chili powder liquid, okay? Pretty good stuff. All right, yeah, I mean, this was a whole hell of a lot of fun. I'll tell you something, I learned that Mexican candy is not for the faint of heart. If you like sour candies, you might like Mexican candy, but if you love chili powder, you're gonna be a winner guaranteed, okay? So far, you know, I've tried some Japanese snacks and some Mexican snacks. I have other countries to explore, you know, through their candy selection and their snack selection, which is really the best way to discover new cultures and the only way I do it. So this was definitely an experience. Not my all-time favorite, you know. Got to see this guy, which is good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me on my Mexican candy adventure. It was so spicy, picante, excelente, rico pepino. I was into it. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notifications bell to find out about the next crazy antics I'll be up to. And cool, you know, I don't know if we're gonna be able to cut this into anything watchable.